In this first one, we're going from -5, which is included because it's a square bracket, up to -1, which is also included because it's a square bracket. So it's this section here of the real number line. And we can write that in two ways. We're going to move into, this is interval notation, so we're going to move into set notation. So I could say, this is the easiest way, it's the x's such that -5 is less than x is less than -1. That's one way of doing it. And the other way of saying it is that it's the x's such that x is less than -1. So that's literally everything backwards. Oh no, I've missed less than or equal to. So I was doing an open circle, I'll change that in a sec. So it's everything back there, everything behind -1. That's this bit, less than or equal to -1, that's what I did wrong. So it's that, and then I need to combine it with also and as well everything to the right of -5. So that's and x such that x is greater than or equal to -5. So those are the two ways of writing it, and I should have put a or equal to on here. Okay, the next one, so we're going from -infinity all the way up to 1, but not including 1. So there's 1, and we're going from -infinity all the way up to there, all of this. And then we've got this other bit, -8, so that's here, and it is included, this one, because it's a square bracket, -8, and then we're going all the way, maybe I'll do this in another colour, -8 all the way up to infinity. So that's all of this all the way up there, forever. But the symbol in the middle, the and, means we have to be both. So just like here, where we had to be both yellow lines, here I need to be both in the green bit and in the white bit. So the actual bit that I'm looking at in this case is actually the same as the one above, more or less. It is from -8, that's included, that's okay, all the way up to 1, but that's not included. So there are two ways of writing it. I could write it the way that pretty much matches what we've got written here in interval notation. It's x such that x is less than 1, strictly less than 1 because it's a round bracket there. But and as well, x has to be greater than or equal to -8. And the other way of writing it is the kind of easier way, is x such that -8 is less than or equal to x is less than 1. Final one, it says that we've got x is, we're going to move into interval notation here because this is set notation. So we've got x less than √3, so here's √3. And we want to be to the left of √3, but we're not allowed to be √3. Or, so this is a combination of two sets, the x's that are bigger than √3. So on the real number line, this is literally everything apart from √3. So one way of writing that is that it is the x's that are real such that x is not √3. That's one way of writing it. And using interval notation, I could say it's everything from -infinity up to √3, but not including √3, combined with everything from √3, not including √3, all the way up to infinity.